do you need expensive for survival kit or for survival? I don't think so. I mean, as literally the cutting of my EDC is the one I have of this $1.25, and it works for what I need it to work for. You know, right? It works what I need to do. You know, even for like you know for food, Dollar Tree. You know, the pumpkin seeds. The dried fruit, the energy blends, and all the fruits and nuts and all that, and maybe like via the canned foods. That's $1.25 maybe, right? You can literally go to Dollar Tree and make a decent survival kit. Also, I thought of it, the name of the channel, Corporal's Corner. He did a really good 5C kit. And here's my thing. Um, don't baton with your knife at all. That's why you have a hatchet. That's why you have an axe. You know. So yeah, the very least of what I would carry for me personally. This is for me personally. Is the 8-in-1 multi-use knife, right? It because honestly, the blade I'll need, the scissors I'll use, the nail file I'll use because that's actually really good to unscrew stuff. Surprisingly, like small screw things. If I'm lying, I'm dying. Okay. Um, Corkscrew, I have no idea. I guess you could use the screwdriver part to do like a if you had to do it like a bow drill type thing or friction whatever. So yeah, if I just use the knife, the can opener, bottle opener, scissors, I'm good. That's what that I'm not paying an arm and a leg for it, right? And besides, usually you only need enough for like 3 to 4 days, and which means all you need to do is have like something like this or whatever, or the knife that you get from Dollar Tree or Dollar General to last more than 4 days max, right? Now I'm actually wanting to do, you know, I gotta watch that Couples Corner video too to see what the 5Cs he does. Me, I say you can interchange the 5Cs to the 5Cs that are more important to you. For me, first 3Cs, obviously, cutting, combustion, cover, right? Because here's the thing, I can use a trash bag for water collecting. Probably as a net, as a lean-to, and as a ground cover. The knife be used to make implements like a spear, right? So you can get that fish, right? This is why I advise, hey, when you first start, go cheap. Go dollar store cheap. Because you're gonna be wanting to use your tools, right? You know, and the cheap ones you are meant for to use, abuse, and test skills you know and learn skills with. If you want to get like a more companion or even splurge $4 for a Wahoo killer, do it. Do it. You know? I wonder where my did I put that I'm gonna have to find that knife. The Krieger version. But yeah, that's why I advise using cheaper stuff. Because if you can do it only like for 3 days, you don't want your good stuff to break. For one, two, for me, if I was in a post-apocalyptic situation or wasteland, and I found something like this, I'd be like, heck yeah, multi things on this, and it's like point femto ounce, 1.1 femto ounce, right? And you can get paring knives and all, which honestly I would recommend a paring knife, at the least for like a bushcraft knife. Yeah, I know I splurged this month to get good quality, but it was my dream to get a high quality kitchen knife with wood on the handle. That was my dream. That was a dream since I was a kid, and that came true. I don't usually splurge for expensive stuff like good quality pair knives. I'll go True Living, and be Gucci with it. You know, so like I advise go cheap, right? You don't want your Swiss Army knife breaking. All you gotta do, seriously, and I'm not kidding about this, okay? A good pairing will be the one camp knife with the serrations on it for a little bit of sawing, and this for everything else. You know, your two is one is on, right? You're gonna be using the serration thing with a saw. If I could, God, I want to find that stupid. Oh, because I could like those. Those are nice. No, that's this is why I'm saying, hey, this is why my channel is budget, extreme budget, dollar store, Walmart budget. Yes, I do sometimes splurge when I'm at a doctor's appointment and there is a Bass Pro, but usually I just get the snack mixes because holy crap, those are good, and maybe like a little light, right? So that's why I advise it. Extreme budget. Because one, you know, I can get, cheapo, unscented black bags, black trash bags. Bam, water. I could probably use the uh, balloons for water procuring too. Because they're made of latex, and they're basically like a condom, right? You know? So that's my advice. Go extreme budget when you build a bug out bag. A 4 or 5C kit, 10C kit, you know? So, anyway, this has been Post Apocalypse Survival, helping you survive in the wasteland and advising budget.